So here's my house. Look at that. There's 2 schools. And then you can see here's Shenzhen. You can see there's a fake Eiffel Tower. We're in France. So I'm on my way to to do an interview actually for a company, my friend's company. They do that like camera accessories, like flashes, kind of like Godox but cheaper. So we'll see. After like 2 hours of fucking traveling, I'm finally here. Here's like a really far part of Shenzhen. I've never been here before, and it takes me like 1 hour metro and then fucking like 1 hour bus. Fuck, the car almost hit me. Yeah. So here it is at number 5, right there. Okay. And then like right underneath the fucking place, there's like just like a huge, like a convenience store which got everything. Holy shit. So here's the company. That's my friend right there. And what they make is this kind of stuff. They're working on a ring light, a big one, and then like one that's the same as this one. Exactly the same with many accessories and cheaper. 所以刚开始喂 So I'm back to Vancouver again. And during this time, when I was back in China, in Shenzhen, I met this guy. This guy was in Vancouver before too. This guy, we were like hi-fi freaking fan before. So I listed a headphone on Craigslist, and then he bought it. So we met, and then we have each other's like WeChat or something. And after he went back to Shenzhen, and then he started his company, which is a photography gear company. So the company name is how do you pronounce this? Triopo. It's a Triopo. Triopo.
But why it's called 解宝 in Chinese?
Triopo.
No, it's called
Triopo.
It's called 解宝 in Chinese.
Oh yeah, Triopo.
Triopo.
They have like all kinds of stuff. They have LED lights. They have strobes. They have a speed light. They are all like cheaper than Godox. Like, and then they have like their own like patented technology, like tripod and the flashlight too. They are making a copy of the
what is a Godox G1?
They're making a copy of the Godox AD200 portable strobe flash, and then they are making another one, which is the bigger one.
Wait, are we ever use those things? We don't even use lights.
Like the AD600. Yeah, they're making a copy of that too, and it's all cheaper. It just copy, you know.
Are we gonna do a review soon?
Yeah, we're gonna do a review soon because they have a. I think they have already have a North America online shop like on Amazon. Let me just go double check.
They have it.
Amazon.com. Let me go check if they have like something on it. Cause I think like they have selling their tripod for a super long time. Is it Triopod?
TRI.
Trio.
You went to their company. You went to their store. You didn't even.
Triopo.
I don't think we get any sponsorship. Oh
Yeah, Triopo. They have their look. They have their flashes. They have their tripod on it. Look, it's super cheap. $50.
Oh yeah.
$50 for like a travel tripod. And with ball head too. Quick release plate and a ball head. And I think they have told me they're like the cheapest but the tallest that can fit in a bag, like a travel tripod. It's the tallest one. It can go like it can extend up to like 2 meters or something. That's what it told me, I think. 1.6 kilograms. Oh, it can go the maximum height of 164 centimeters. The storage height is 46 centimeters. This is their like best-selling tripod. And then they will move to like a bigger stuff now. Like they have like a patented softbox, which is like a quick release as well. You don't have to put the sticks in the like the octabank. You just it's like an umbrella. You just open it and you close it.
I don't think we ever use those things, but we can test.
But people need that. I mean.
Okay. That's it for today.
And then they're trying to move to Canada market soon.
Wow.
And then they will like maybe supply us for some gears too. They have a ring light, which I really like. The ring light is the softest I've ever seen.
You never use it, come on.
It's a big studio ring light. It's a LED ring light. It doesn't have those dots. Like the normal ring lights you see, there's like many dots inside, but that one is completely soft. Like that's the only one I've seen, and it's like around $50.
Their flash can their flash do TTL?
Of course.
Oh really?
They have Nikon, Canon, Sony, like whatever.
Fuji.
Yeah.
Do they have Leica?
No, but like if I can talk to them, they can make like a custom one.
Custom one. Only for you, right?
Yeah.
Only for you. Yeah, custom Leica. Alright, bye bye.